Welcome to our travel day vlog. Here's Dawn, Joanna, Jeremy. We're headed to the Greenville GSP airport and then straight to Orlando, Florida. We've made it through security and to the Chick-fil-A. What are you going to be eating?
The things that Mama's going to get me.
The dead chicken. They got a neat little... Oh, is that an airplane? No, it's a luggage cart. They got a neat little fountain area. Up the escalator. GSP is pretty small, but efficient. Here's our plane. Another breeze just pulled up. It's 3 of us.
3?
Yes, ma'am. That's me. Feels weird being one of the last to get on. Normally we get on pretty quick with our stroller. First trip without the stroller. We have a slight issue. They're asking for a code for our Walmart order. I've never had them ask it before, so hopefully they leave it. I just texted it to the driver.
It will eliminate once submerged in water. And the life vests are located in a rear overhead bin, identified with a placard. Instructions for operation.
Got that blue and that pink. Dropping like a rock.
We appreciate your cooperation, making the time with British Airways today. We enjoyed having you on our flight and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.
Thank y'all. I definitely like just the backpack.
Yes, me too.
It's a lot easier getting on and off the airplane.
Hi.
Did you have a good flight?
Mm-hmm.
Let's check our Uber rates while we're waiting. So far, Uber's been cheaper. 46 versus Lyft. 52.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. Please exit your baggage, please. Please watch your step. Next stop, please 30.
Here's where they get you. Now it says locating your driver after it said they was going to be here in 6 minutes. There we go. There we go. It's 9:43. It's a little bit busy out here. I've seen worse. 53B. Let's confirm his thing. That's them. Okay.
What's the last name of the reservation?
Cheek.
How do I spell that?
CHEEK.
And our first name?
Jeremy.
You guys are all set.
Thank you very
Have a
much.
good night.
I'm gonna grab our stuff out of the trunk.
Under that name, would it be under a different name? Maybe
Jeremy?
Or Dawn Cheek, I don't know.
It's not gonna be under my name, I don't think.
Let's
I just
see.
seen under the last name.
Right there actually looks. Yeah, actually that looks like.
Yeah. Who knows this? Here.
Thank you very much.
Hey, can I hold on to it too?
Yeah. The pool has reopened.
Yay!
We're inside the helmet.
Wait, there's a-
Right. Welcome, Cheek family. Wow.
Now let me show you the secret.
Now, let's see what we got from Walmart. We got some Coca-Cola.
Yep.
We got waters and Powerades,
For me.
trash bags, sandwich bags, applesauce,
Yay!
deodorant, brownies.
A good old
We don't like the Disney toilet paper.
brown.
So we normally just get this.
Hey, how-
Even though I'm pretty sure it's the same as they use here.
It's not.
I think it is.
100% not.
Yogurt. Honey stingers. Brownies. Nanners.
We've never had an issue with them at the front desk, but the issue was he couldn't read, whoever took it in, he couldn't read the writing. Luckily, he took me back there,
We found it.
and I seen the waters and the blue Powerades, and I thought, what, and the Coke, and I thought, what's the chance of somebody else ordering that exact same thing? So I looked, and I was like, there it is. So he just couldn't read. He didn't. I mean, I don't blame him. It's kind of scratchy.
Kinda wonky.
So that's our Walmart stuff. You just order it. They bring it to the front desk.
Yep.
Now I'm going to show you these owner's lockers. This one has got popcorn buckets, a bunch of my electronic junk, shoes. I also brought some secret things to try for this trip. Let me show you. This is what took up all my backpack space. Is I brought some of
In
those
each
cubes,
backpack.
and it should fit. Look at it right there. I measured it before we left last time. Well, I got junk in the way, but it should fit under there. But wait.
But wait, there's more.
I got 80 or 100, I think it's 115 pound hooks. And if this works,
It will be great.
I can do another go.
I'm trying to organize here.
They wouldn't, but like $8 or something.
For some little hooks.
Alright, so now
Hang on.
that thing is on there.
And so we can put whatever we want to on there.
Yeah, we can store something there. And I brought another one we might hang in the closet.
I mean, if it's nothing heavy.
They make the. I always like this cool mirror for looking at nose hairs.
Those magnetic things.
Here's the next trick for you. This, I don't know why they got this so close. I think we normally have a bigger gap right here, but
Well, I think the trash can used to be on the other side.
this thing will only go down to 68, so I'm gonna hold, I don't know if y'all can see that. You hold the two side buttons
Where do I put these two?
and the up button. let it go, it'll say some kind of like LEN, or I don't know what it says. It'll go down to 65.
Alright, so I'm gonna be deploying this. 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Now Joanna will demonstrate the deployment of the bed. Give it a pull. Oh. Huey, Dewey, and Louie. We've got things about 90% put up. Joanna organized some drinks in here. We normally stack our food up here. Sometimes if I bring a laptop, I'll either put it there or over there. Most of the time I'll put some electronic junk in there. I got a shoe bin. I got a random electronic junk bin. All my bags. I got fan, I like that fan. I usually put the Hey Disney up there. We found out this is magnetic, so Dawn's gonna hang her ears up here. We still got this thing with plenty of space for something. There's plenty of chargers or things. I think there's 6. 1, 2. There's either 4 or 6. I can't remember.
There's one on each of the things.
Okay, but these things are like 20 or so bucks off Amazon. We always take one, and then on top of that, I got splitters so we can charge all these power banks. These new fuel rod banks here are just as good as the big anchor banks, but they are expensive. They're like 80 bucks, but if it goes dead in the park or in the hotel or whatever, you can change it out at their machine for a brand new when it's charged. So the lockers over here, I usually just throw my Roosevelts up there because they don't really wrinkle. We still got this we can store stuff in. Laundry basket, putting out all this stuff. So the chairs are always, we don't really need them because that bed ends up getting deployed. But anyway, that's kind of how we got it set up so far.